In this video, we are going to look at the functions of the central government. It is very important that as students, as citizens of a country, we have the knowledge. We just know what is it that our central government is expected to do. What is the responsibility of the central government. So just follow me closely, and we are going to look at 7 main functions of the central government. And let's begin. Number 1, governing the whole country. A government must control the people it seeks to govern and protect. The Zambian central government seeks to maintain internal peace, that is, peace among individuals and groups within the country. This means that the central government must ensure that there is law and order. This is achieved by establishing and enforcing the rule of law to ensure preservation and protection of citizens' rights to life, liberty, and honestly acquired property. Number 2, maintaining national security. The central government is responsible for preserving the security of Zambia's society from foreign aggression. The government maintains armed forces and, when necessary, utilizes them to protect the territory and the people it governs from attack and invasion by foreign powers. The military defense is one of the oldest and most important functions of government. Number 3, exercising international diplomacy. The foreign diplomacy is the process in which a sovereign state conducts formally peaceful relations with another foreign state, including all formal relationships and interactions. Handling foreign diplomacy is one of the most important functions performed by the central government. The central government maintains formal diplomatic relations with a significant number of other foreign states in the world, whose central government recognize the independence or sovereignty of the particular political society and are willing to maintain diplomatic relations with its established existing central government. In handling foreign diplomacy, the central government of Zambia may apply pressure and issue warnings, as well as negotiate, bargain, compromise, and conclude treaties and alliances with other countries. 4, making laws for the whole country. Through Parliament, the central government formulates laws that apply to the whole country. Lawmaking is a complex process which involves a number of stages, the last of which is the signing by the president. Number 5, to establish justice. Number 5, to establish justice. The central government is mandated to enforce the rule of law. It operates a system of laws and courts that, point 1, make all citizens equal under the law. Secondly, it provides them equal opportunities to obtain just settlement of their civil disputes and receive fair treatment if suspected or accused of engaging in criminal activity. In other words, the government must operate a system of administering justice, a system which treats all citizens fairly. Number 6, to encourage unity. To encourage unity. It is the function of the central government to keep the country as a unitary state. This is done by ensuring that there is equal representation in government from all religions through equal distribution of services and through a well-balanced developmental process. Number 7, implementation of the laws. Number 7, implementation of the laws. The government, through the judiciary, ensures that the laws are implemented, that the laws are carried out. So all these 7 functions that we've talked about, these functions enable the government to establish and enforce the law. The government is also able to set up forces to protect its citizens both locally and internationally. The functions also cover the basic needs of the citizens. The government works for the people, and it should always have the best interest of the people at the forefront of all reforms. Having said this, we end the lesson. Thank you for following through.